Hey there, I'm Christian from RackNerd. And if you've ever wondered what a domain is, why it's crucial for web hosting, and how to do it effortlessly, then you've come to the right place, because we will address all of your confusion in this video about this topic. And I will guide you step by step on how to get your own domain name quick and easy on RackNerd. So let's dive in. Okay, so imagine your website's domain name as a unique address on the internet. It's what people type into the browser to access your site. Having your own domain name provides a sense of professionalism and credibility, making your website memorable and easier to find. Plus, it's like claiming your own virtual real estate, ensuring that no one else can take your chosen spot. But that's not all. A domain name offers a bunch of benefits like improved search engine rankings, better branding opportunities, and established trust among your audience. It's a powerful tool for building your online industry and fostering growth. Alright, so let's go ahead and get down to business, ordering your domain name on RackNerd. It's a straightforward process that I'll guide you through, so let me go ahead and share my screen and let's go ahead and get into it. Start by visiting RackNerd's official website at racknerd.com. This is your gateway to top-notch hosting services and, of course, your dream domain name. So once you're on the website, navigate to the My Account link or menu of your homepage. This will direct you to our client area webpage and then select Store from the drop-down menu. After that, scroll down to the bottom and you should find there's a Register a New Domain option there. Now this is where the magic happens. You'll find a range of domain options to choose from, catering to your specific needs. Just use the search bar to find your ideal domain name. Whether it's your business name, a creative idea, or your personal brand, RackNerd has you covered. Hit that search button, fill in the security code, and see if your chosen domain is available. So, if your domain is available, select it and proceed to configure your domain order. Here, you can choose the registration period and decide whether you want to include any additional features like domain privacy protection. With your domain configured, add it to your cart. Double check your order to ensure that everything is accurate. When you're ready, hit that checkout button. By the way, if you're new to RackNerd, you'll need to create an account. If you're an existing customer, simply log in. This account will be your hub for managing your domain and hosting services. Please follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase. RackNerd offers secure payment options, ensuring your transaction is safe and smooth. Once you hit the complete order button, you'll receive several emails from RackNerd related to your order. And if you're a new customer, you'll also receive your account credentials to access our client area. Please use the credentials to log into the client area for further configuration of your domain and other services. And there you have it. Ordering a domain name on RackNerd is the first step to unlocking endless possibilities for your online journey. So why wait? Visit us at racknerd.com to dive into the wonderful world of domains and hosting services. Remember, your domain name is more than just an address. It's your digital identity. After you have your domain, it's time to obtain a website hosting plan in order to start creating and hosting your own website on the internet. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, talk soon.